Mother's Day. So we're celebrating. Nandito kami ngayon sa Hanchan restaurant. Korean restaurant. Ito guys ang in-order namin. Yan. O diba? Appetizer namin.
Wala guys kasi kakain na kami.
And then ito yung in-order namin ni Vince. Masarap to yung glass noodles. And then yung kay Erwin naman is ito. Bibimbap. At saka yan, galbi. Yan. Masarap ba itong anak, soup?
I don't know. I'll try it.
Do you wanna try it?
I love noodles. I love the noodles.
Ayan lang guys, siguro. Marami na yun. O, diba? Try namin to. Ano to, anak? Mando, deep fried pork dumplings.
I'm confused now. So
Ayun. Chapshi. Masarap to guys, oh. Ito. Yan. Yun ang appetizer namin. Ayoko ng kimchi dahil maanghang. Maanghang. Parang gusto ko mag-soup.
very.
The braised beef short rib slice in the beef bone. What do you think of this dudok? O, diba? Okay guys, balikan ko kayo. Thank you. Guys, yung appetizer. I mean, mamaya pa yung what do you call that? Yung in-order natin? Appetizer? What do you call this?
I forgot.
Ang alam ko lang dyan. Ito kimchi guys, kimchi. Kimchi. Subukan mo to, Erwin.
Hindi nga ako pwede dyan eh.
Yeah.
Try this one.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you. And I guess this is ilabanos. Right? Yeah. Labanos nga nga. Pinubuan ako ni Erwin. Diba? Yan guys, yan yung taco. Yan. Yan appetizer. And then, ito na yung glass noodles. Japchae. And, at saka yung parang mas marami yan sa'yo nak diba? Ayan. Kain po. Kain. May ano pa tayo, may noodles. Ay, soup. Ayan, diba? Yep, go ahead.
We just comes with one rice feed as well.
Okay, sure. Thank you. O, diba, may kasamang rice. Paano ba nito? Daddy, kumain ka na. Yung appetizer. Yan, masarap to guys. Matikman nyo. Punta na kayo sa mga Korean restaurant. Hanchan. Ayan guys. Meron pang in-order. Nag-aantay na lang kami ng soup. What do you call this, anak? Yes, please. Thank you. Yes. Tsaka ito yung soup na basta Korean soup. Masarap yan guys. Yan kumukulo-kulo pa. Yan. Say hi. O, diba? Yan guys. Kain-kain po. Yan si Vince. Ayan guys, may isa pang in-order. Ayan. Tinanong ni Mr. VIP kung ano yan. I-in-order niya, hindi niya alam. Halo,
Too much.
yata.
Too much rice.
Na-enjoy ako dito guys kasi nag-order si Erwin. Hindi niya alam yung in-order niya. Sabi niya ngayon, reklamo siya, too much rice daw.
That's what you ordered.
I know, that's what he ordered. Kasi ako, oh, di ba, yan pa. And then ito manghang, I don't know. Then syempre, yun ang in-order ko. So, ang in-order ko kasi, soup at saka ito. And then yung appetizer. Si Vince naman, yan. Saka yun. Si Erwin, ito. At saka yung, yan. Ngayon, nag-i-enjoy ako sa kanila. Lalo na kay Erwin. Enjoy lang, di ba? Ayan guys, tapos na. Na-solve na kami. Ubos na. Say hi to my vlog. Say Happy Mother's Day na. Happy Mother's
Day.
Excuse me. Ayan. Naubos na guys. Yan, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, BIJ TV Official. Ingat po kayo lagi and God bless. Bye! Bye na anak! Love you anak! Where's my kiss? Diba? Ganyan ako kamahal ng aking anak. Ewan ko lang si Erwin. Ikaw Erwin. Okay. Ingat po kayo lagi and God bless.